all to the Data Crack. Today we will learn how to create a dependent drop-down or a dynamic drop-down. Here we are provided with the questions using the data set. Two column that we have is country and city. We need to create a dependent drop-down feature where we select the country such as USA. It will simply show all the cities related to USA. Similarly for Canada, India, Australia, UK, Germany and Japan. So let's start without delay. So in order to solve this question, first of all we need to define the name. For example, we need to select all the city that belong to USA. Alright, so I have selected all the city. Now I will go to simply formula bar, and here we have here option name manager. Alright, name manager, define name. Alright, in define name we can just simply write here USA. Alright, now we will do the same for Canada. We will select all the city that belongs to Canada, and again we just define the name for Canada. Now here we can just define the name called Canada. Alright, Canada. Alright, now again we will do the same for India. We'll select the city of India, and we can just go to define name, and here we can just write India. Okay, similarly we can do same for the Australia. Same for the UK. For Germany. Last but not the least, for Japan. Once we have defined the name for each city, in the next step, in the first step, what we did, in the first step we just define name from where? From formula bar. Alright, formula bar. Now in the second step, what we will just create the first drop down. In order to create a first drop down, I will just select my empty cell. Okay, and after that I will just go to the data, and in data we have here is data validation. Alright, now here we can just inside data validation we can choose here list. Okay, and in list we can just say that inside the source we can write the country name that we have, that is USA. After that we have India, we do have Germany, we have Canada, we have Japan, right, and USA, Canada, India, Australia, we do have Australia, UK, Germany and Japan. And once we write all the name manually, we can just simply click OK. Now we have already created the name drop down, right, by using list. Now in the next step, let's create dependency between them. For example, whenever I select USA, in such a situation I should get all the city that belongs to USA. Similarly, whenever I click over India, I should get all the city that belongs to India. Same for the Australia, UK, Germany and Japan. In order to do this, we can just simply use indirect function, that is indirect, and we can just simply select this, and let's see, as right now we have selected USA. The reason we are able to get the cities of USA. Now let's select India. Yes, we are able to get the city of India. Let's try for UK. Yeah, that's it. I hope you all understand about dependent drop down. Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Data